So Eureka Streams, it's built on GWT on the front end, Java on the back end. And what it does is, similar to Twitter and Facebook, it provides social networking tools, but for an internal company. Everything's kept on their internal LAN. Companies can download it and use it and communicate across teams, special interest groups, ethics, Go Green initiatives. Executives can use it to give accolades or give kudos. We have some executives who have a couple thousand followers in the system. So right now we get about 10,000 people a day, unique people a day using the system, 45,000 page views. So it gets a lot of use, 500 groups. These range from, as I mentioned, special interest groups. We have product groups, we have functional management groups, we have support groups. We've actually shut down multiple help desk centers to be replaced by support streams that can be manned by one person instead of 3 people.
We decided to use Google Web Toolkit because on a couple of past projects for our team, we had some trouble maintaining large code bases of JavaScript, and we knew that we wanted to code the back end of the project in Java. So Google Web Toolkit was kind of a natural choice because it allowed us to use Java on both the front end and the back end, and gave us a lot of the advantages that would be really hard to hand code. Like the GWT compiler does a lot of the optimization for you. You don't really need to worry about that nearly as much as you do when you're writing your own JavaScript.
GWT gets us a lot of things for free. History management, we have eventing, handlers, all of these things we have for free now that the developer doesn't have to reinvent the wheel with JavaScript and try to manage history themselves or download a dozen JavaScript libraries to get what GWT gets us for free out of the box.
For Eureka Streams, next we're basically going to be focusing on mobile. We're going to be developing some native apps. In addition to first-class email support.
We have several success stories on Eureka where individuals from different teams collaborated, came together, solved problems, saved probably thousands and thousands of dollars of the company's time by coming together, and they never would have met before. And so if we demonstrate this, if we go to executives and say, this is why transparency is good, because it allows people to communicate across these stovepipe boundaries that you've set up, and we can kind of destroy those barriers and let people communicate freely, I think that would be the path going forward.